Do you work in manufacturing as an employee or as a manager? And do you sometimes wonder how to reduce the effect of safety challenges in your organization? After all, safety can be very costly if we have an accident, and it can also really shake the confidence of our employees. We did some research on 40 companies in the manufacturing sector of Trinidad and Tobago to try to find out what the main areas to focus on in a safety management system should be. We found 3 areas. 1. OSH oversight. Make sure that you communicate to the organization to let everyone know how important safety is and what you intend to do. Have a safety policy. Establish safety leadership that's driven by one very competent person. Involve your people on an OSH committee and make sure to submit everything that's required legally to OSHA. 2. OSH arrangements are important. Give people the personal protective equipment that they need. Be proactive. Plan for emergencies. Practice what to do when working in a confined space or when working with hazardous materials. Protect people by safeguarding moving parts and do comprehensive risk assessment that always consider all at-risk groups. 3. Be an improvement-focused company. Have top managers who are knowledgeable about safety and committed to having a safe workplace. Have employees who perform their work safely every day and who look out for one another on the job. Set up excellent training, information, instruction, and supervision. And always focus on reporting and investigating accidents, incidents, and near misses. If you take away some of our findings and implement them in your organization, you are sure to see real, long-lasting results. My name is Marsha Nathai-Balkissoon. You can find more about our research by Googling the West Indian Journal of Engineering, Volume 38, Number 2. Take away some of what we've found and make a difference to your manufacturing company.